Thank you for lighting up my path when I was lost in the dark. Thank you for taking care of me because I still need you. Thank you for showing me what unconditional love truly is. Thank you for being my role model. You've shown me what it means to be strong, compassionate, and kind. Thank you for being my anchor in this stormy sea of life. Thank you for being my teacher, my mentor, and my best friend. Thank you, Mom. I love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
I would like to greet you a very happy birthday. I am forever grateful. Enjoy this day with your family and loved ones.
Hi Divina! Kumusta ka na? Gusto ko lang na bumati sa'yo ng happy birthday. Grabe no, 50 years old na ikaw. Ako nga 54 na. So, enjoy mo lang yung ating mga buhay. Masalamat lang tayo sa Panginoon dahil binigyan tayo ng kalakasan, binigyan tayo ng edad na line of 5 na tayo. So, hope na maging masaya ka sa iyong kaarawan dahil nandito si Zenny, na classmate mo ng high school para batiin ka. So, happy birthday ulit, Divina. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Concern kami bilang iyong mga kaibigan. Salamat. Bigyan ako ng pagkakataon na mag-share ng greeting sa'yo dahil birthday mo. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hello Divina. Happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa iyong birthday and yun lang at God bless.
Hi Divina. Kumusta ka na? Another year of celebrating our birthday, ano? But this year is a very special year kasi it marks our 50th birthday. Kaya I would like to greet you a happy 50th birthday. Today you celebrate God's faithfulness in your life, ano? 50 years of His grace, love, and blessings poured out into and through you. At sana yung mga milestones mo sa buhay remind you of His purpose for your journey and inspire you to continue being a light for God's glory. May the Lord bless you with more strength, joy, and countless more years to fulfill His plan sa buhay mo, especially sa family mo. So, I pray and I wish all the best sa buhay mo and more blessings and joyful years sa mga susunod pa mga taon. To God be the glory and God bless you more. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday to you. I wish you na sana umaba pa ang iyong buhay at maging masaya ka sa araw ng iyong kapanganakan. Muli, happy 50th birthday. God bless. Kumusta sa lahat?
Oh my gosh! It's your birthday today and you are look fabulous at the age of 50. still young and pretty, di ba? Akalain makaabot tayo ng 50s. Awesome. It's very awesome. And even the milestone of your life, you overcome everything, and then now you are 50 and still pretty, and I wish all you the best, more birthdays to come. And age is just a number, but you're still young at heart. And enjoy your birthday, make it memories today of your 50th birthday. Wish you good health and God bless. Happy birthday, Vina.
Happy birthday, Bina. More birthday to come. God bless you. And we love you always.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Bina. Happy birthday from Buckingham Palace.
Yay! Happy birthday! Happy 50th!
God bless.
Hello, happy birthday, ating Bina. Oh, ilang taon ka na? Oh, magpakain ka na. Happy birthday. Nilalagnat kasi ako, kaya galit itsura ko. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi, Tita! Happy birthday po. God bless you always. Good health. Laban sa buhay. See you soon. God bless, Tita.
Happy birthday po!
Happy birthday, Sis Divina Maring. Sana magkita kayo sa personal. Hindi lang sa video call. Sana bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon na mataas pa na buhay. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mami V. More birthdays to come. Sana good health ka lagi.
Hi ma! Happy birthday! Sorry, ganito lang yung video greet ko kasi medyo busy. So, yun. Thank you sa lahat ma. Thank you sa mga ginagawa mo, sa mga pag-aasikaso mo sa amin, lalo na sa family ko. Thank you so much ma, and we love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Pina.
Happy birthday, Mother Earth. More birthdays to come. Stay healthy. Love ya.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Mag-ingat ka po palagi dyan. Mahal na mahal po namin kayo. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Love you. Mama Pina. Mama Pina.
Flying kiss.
Happy birthday, Mama. God bless you. We love you. Happy birthday, Mama. Thank you sa pagbibigay ng pera sa akin. At saka thank you rin kasi palagi mo akong inaalagaan pag wala si Mami. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama. Wish you all the best and stay healthy.
More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday.
Heyo, Mom. Happy birthday. I love you. I wish you a good health and more well to come. I'll see you soon. And I love you so much. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Mama. We love you. Meow meow.
Pero, Peter, oh.
birthday. Wish you all the best, syempre. And stay good health. Stay strong. Strong woman. Stay robbers. Robbers. Basta yun. Happy birthday. And sana makasama pa namin ng matagal ngayong dalawa ni Papa. And salamat sa lahat. Sakripisyo, syempre. Sa aming magkakapatid. And yun lang. Happy birthday ako. Magsalita na mga ako. Baboy lupa ako eh. May jack ako eh. So, happy birthday ma. Ano ka namin. Let's go! Stay gang pala ma. Let's go!
Happy birthday, Dina! Sana lumago yung negosyo mo para maraming makupit ang mga lapo mo.
Birthday mo raw.
Greetings!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday po! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ha?
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more.
Hello mama, happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday mama ko.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to